Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at the Enchanted Map by Colette Baron-Reid. I absolutely adore her. I have not had a deck from her that I dislike yet. So I'm excited to get into this. This is 54 cards and it has a guidebook. This is of course published by Hay House and it retails for $21.99. So the illustrations are Jena DellaGrottaglia. I can never pronounce it. It's been forever and I'm sorry. I don't know if I'm saying that right and I guarantee you I'm not. So anywho, it says, imagine between the visible and the unseen is a guiding force that some call spirit, the holy will, the divine, the filled, or consciousness. Using this card deck by Colette Baron-Reid will connect you to the larger consciousness and guide you as you travel along the journey of your life. The themes of these 54 cards represent some of the places you'll visit, the conditions you may encounter, and the allies and challengers you'll meet as you navigate a metaphoric map of your life's journey. The enclosed guidebook will help you ask the right questions and interpret the messages in your readings. The Enchanted Map Oracle cards were created in order to empower you to understand the story of your fate, destiny, and free will, and allow you to chart a course to live a life of deep purpose, true prosperity, and vibrant love. So as always, I am not sponsored or paid for any of these reviews or flip-throughs. I will link everywhere. I know that you can purchase this down in the description box should you want to. They're not affiliate links, nothing like that. So let's get into this. And it is your box type. All right, no little surprises. Nope, all right. Always gotta check, you never know. Okay, before we get into the cards, let's just see if there's anything that we should pay attention to here in the book. So it says the purpose of the cards and how to do a reading. We have a 1-card reading, 3-card reading, and 6-card reading. And then it gives you the definition of the cards. So let's see real fast. Alrighty. Meditation before. The cards are meant to become your personal guide to explore the path you're on, chart a new course, retrace your steps to understand how you got to where you are, or perhaps choose another destination altogether. Interesting. The cards show you the continuity of your steps and remind you that life is meant to be an adventure. All right. So it gives you some example questions. What is the nature of the situation? How will the situation progress? Okay. All right, let's just get into it, shall we? Rip it off. Okay, oh, they're little compasses. All right, so they are glossy cards. A nice oracle size. And there we go. They're kind of thin, but they're not bad. Cute. Goblins. Oh my goodness, I love it. So they are numbered. Fantastic. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know what my reaction is, if it's kind of, if I like it or I dislike it. I don't know. Cute. Interesting. Rock bottom. I really like the imagery. Oh, it's a little fairy. They're so cute. One ring circus. Interesting. Yeah, these are actually pretty cute. I'm digging it. They're like kind of like dreamscapes in a way. It's like a carousel horse. I love it. Whoop. Cute. Yeah, they feel good in the hand. No complaints there. They're gliding just fine. I'm excited to see how they shuffle. I'm pretty sure they're going to be just fine. Yeah, it's very dreamlike. It's very positive too. It's not like a threatening deck at all. I think this would be good to use whether you're a beginner or intermediate or expert, whatever level you're at. And then if you have clients that you read for, or friends or family, this isn't threatening at all. This would be very good to use with them. I feel like they could even understand what's going on without you explaining it, really, because this is just, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. And I really like that about it. It doesn't cover anything up or sugarcoat it, really, in a way. I just feel like I'm stepping into a dream when I'm looking at these pictures. And you do get like a huge image. It takes up most of the card, which is nice. So you have a border, which is, you know, no big deal. But some people don't like borders, and, you know, power to you. But I'm just saying there's not a huge border, so you're still getting the whole big picture, and it's filling up the card, and the title card isn't huge. So, I mean, you're getting the whole card in a sense of that imagery, and that's fantastic. I love these. Absolutely love these. So I will see how they read. After we shuffle here, we will pick a card and then just see how the guidebook reads. And then final thoughts. But so far, no complaints. Oh, cute. All right, so let's see how they shuffle. Just fine. Yeah, no complaints. They're just fine. They're not really sticking together. Yeah. No complaints here. So let's just get a card. There we go. What one were you? Someone flipped over. Haha. Solitude. Well, if that doesn't ring true right now. Okay, so we'll put you on your little stand while I read from the book. Number 13. Lucky number 13. So it says, I am comfortable in my own skin as I detach to replenish my soul. So the upright meaning would be meditation is required when you receive the solitude card as a sign. Empty your mind of superfluous thoughts and allow stillness to flow through your whole being. This is not an advantageous time to ask questions or push forward in any way. Rather, it's a period for conscious retreat. What's called for now is to step back and take your focus off your life and your troubles. You'll be surprised by how things sort themselves out once you've replenished your energy by means of much needed rest and time out. And then it gives you a reversed meaning too. So I'm excited about these. So it gives you a little maybe mantra to say. It gives you a nice little definition, and it gives you some spreads. It gives you some example questions. The cards are fantastic. The price is not bad, especially now since it's been a deck that's been out for a while, so you can usually find it at a discount or on sale. So if you can find it on sale, I'm all for some sales, especially if you're on the fence about it. But for $21, you're getting a nice guidebook. You're getting 54 cards, is nice quality. I think they're beginner friendly. I'm not sure about that card yet. Other than that, I love all the other cards. They make sense. And I feel like with Colette's decks, she makes them very inclusive to where anybody can really, whether you're a beginner or been doing this for eons, it's accessible. So that to me is important, because this is something that everybody, you know, every level, no matter what, should be able to find their special card. So honestly, if this is calling to you, or you feel drawn to this deck, I'd say go for it. I'd say this is a good price. You can't really complain about Colette Baron-Reid's stuff. Like, everything I get from her is fantastic. Again, that's just from my experience. So I will link everywhere in the description box below. If you have this deck, let me know what you think about it in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinions. If this is on your wish list, let me know. I'm just interested because this has been out for a while. In fact, I don't even know if there's a copyright for it, but oh, 2011. So yeah, it's been out for a while. But, you know, new to me. So that's fantastic. So let me know if you own it, how you like it, what you like about it. If you dislike it, let me know that too. And if you enjoyed these videos, let me know as well with a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you'll never miss a video upload from me. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I love you all, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.